In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Logseq as a second brain. A second brain is simply a trusted place outside your head where ideas, notes, and tasks live, so you can think clearly and find connections later. Logseq is perfect for this because it's fast, minimal, and built around linking thoughts together as you go. Start by visiting the Logseq website. That's your starting point to explore the tool and understand how it's organized. What makes Logseq different is that it's designed around daily notes, so you always have a simple entry point. Instead of wondering where to file a new idea, you just open today's page and drop it in. This keeps your capture process quick and consistent, which is exactly what you want when you're building a reliable second brain. On your daily journal page, jot down anything that comes to mind. Thoughts, meeting takeaways, articles to read, or small to-dos. Keep each thought short and use one line per idea. If something relates to a previous note, don't worry about perfect organization, just write it down. The key is to get information out of your head immediately so you don't lose momentum. You can always refine and connect it later. Let's make this concrete with a simple example. Imagine you have a spark of inspiration. Idea: build a personal website. Type that directly into today's journal. If you have supporting thoughts, add them right under that line. Maybe what you want to showcase, a few design inspirations, or a couple of links you've seen. Keep it lightweight and honest. You're not planning every detail, you're capturing the seed so it can grow. Now, here's the magic that turns scattered notes into a second brain: connections. When you want to turn an idea into a page you can revisit, type 2 square brackets, write the page name, then close the brackets. For example, type personal website. That instantly creates or links to a dedicated page for this idea. Click it, and you have a focused space to collect everything about that project: resources, next steps, and reflections without leaving your flow. As you keep writing in your daily journal, link related concepts the same way. Over time, Logseq builds a web of backlinks that shows how your thinking connects. This means you'll discover patterns naturally, even across weeks or months. That's the core workflow. Visit the site, capture everything quickly in the daily journal, write your idea, and connect it with links. Keep doing that, and your notes will steadily become a powerful second brain that helps you think better and act faster.